So hi everyone, my name is Tony Birunke. Yes, I will be training you on how to use Flow Page as one of your platforms where you can keep all your links and you can direct people to different types of platforms that you have. It is very good for business owners and very good for course creators, coaches, online business that you are doing and you have so many links. So you're going to be redirecting people to your blog post, your website, your Instagram page, your Facebook page, whatever you really want, your offers, your funnels, you can redirect people into that place. So you have to go to flowpage.com and then you register your account with your email and you give a password, and then your flow page will be created. So this is the dashboard of the flow page. It has the content you have to customize. You have your analytics of how your flow page is doing. So I have a preview of my flow page right now here, and I'm going to share with you the preview. So when I click on this is the preview of the flow page. So I have a bar here on what I do and who I help. You can also put in who you help, and you can also share by this link on my upper right part of the flow page. So here I have my daily tips, I have who I am, I have my project or my growth strategy workshop, I have book 30-minute strategy call with me, and you can also create your own. So if you go back to the edit, this is where the edit is. You are allowed to share and save somebody's page. So here you just click on it. This is your info. You click on your info and it will take you to where you're going to put in your pictures. So you click on the plus sign here. It takes you to your graphics, and let me just look for a picture that I can just put in. Here I have a picture, and I'm going to click on where I want it. So I can zoom it in and I can zoom it out depending on what I want. And I can do any shape I want. If I want it circle, but I love circle, so I'm going to put circle. So let's see how it goes. Okay, now I'm going to save it. So here I have my saved bio, and I have my name as Tony Birunke. You're going to also write your bio also, and this is the preview of what people are going to see. So therefore you save it. Then the next thing is your contact information. How do you want people to see you? You have your phone number. You can put your phone number there for call. If you have a text, a different phone number, you can put there. Your email address, you can put it there. Your location, and then you allow your visitors to download your virtual contact. If you want visitors to download your virtual contact, you can also click here so that people can be able to download it. But if you don't want people to download it, there is no need for you to do that. So I don't want people to download it, so I save my contact. Now the next thing, you move to your clicks and your content. Now here I've already added my Instagram, who I am on Facebook, my Facebook link, and I also add my strategy workshop, and I'm also going to I added my 35-minute strategy call. So here, if I want to add another connect or content, I'm going to click on this place, and I'm going to take the popular links. So what do I want to do? Do I want to embed a video, or I want to upload a PDF, or I want to embed a Spotify, or what do I want to do that I really want people to see? Or I want to embed my live stream, my Facebook pixel, my hours to let people know that my business is open. So let's go to store hours. Here I can tell them where I want, because right now I'm closed. 12 p.m. to 12 p.m. is closed. So right now I am closed. Now you go to the link again. If you want a particular link, maybe you want your YouTube, you're going to you click on the YouTube, and then you click on the URL that you want to put there. So I'm going to go to my YouTube right now. So here is my YouTube. Now on my YouTube, I'm going to pick my link. So I'm going to go to my channel. Here is my channel. So what do I want to let people see? So let me just take this link. So I'm going to take this link, and I'm going to go to share. I'm going to copy my link from my YouTube, and I will go back to my YouTube link. So let me close this. I already have it, so I'm going to put the link here. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to paste it. So that is my YouTube link. So this one will appear as a normal link. Clicking it will open a new tab to play. So I'm going to open this. This will play directly in the Flow page. I want this to play directly on my Flow page. So I'm going to save my YouTube. That is my YouTube. So also, this is my strategy call. I'm looking at here. I want to this is my Book Me calendar, but I think there's a mistake here, so let me go back. It's showing now. Okay, good. So I have my Book Me calendar, I have my strategy call, but I just want to call it 10 minutes connect call. So whatever you want to call people, connect call. Okay, now this is the link. Click this link. So if I want them to click on the link, maybe optional, but if I want an image, an icon and an image, if I want to put a thumbnail, that is my picture, I'm going to put it there, but I would love to replace this picture. So let me see a picture that I can put in right now. So let me reposition this picture. See me? This is the picture I want to put, so I'm going to save it. So I save it. So here is book 10 minutes connect call with me, so you can see it. Then again, another thing you can also do is this is your scan code. With this scan code, you can send this your scan code to people, and people can get your information on Flowchart. This is a scan code. So here you can scan your code with your phone camera to be taken directly to your Flow page. You can use Flow code in person, save to your phone, print it on marketing materials, or use it in videos to direct people to your Flow. So this is one of it. So if you click on it, it's going to download. So it is downloaded. So if you open it, it's just a scan code which I can transfer to people if they want to connect me. So when I click it, I can take it to my WhatsApp. I can click here and I can tell people like, wow, want to connect with me? Scan this code. And let us talk. About your business strategies. Business marketing strategy. Okay, so here I'm going to send it to my status, and I can also send it to what? I can also send it to my Facebook. So here is it. I can send it anywhere I want to send it. Maybe I want to send it to my story on Facebook, and I can click here and I can put it on my story. So this one failed to upload. So maybe I can just put it here and I can share it. That is it. So I'm going to send text like, okay, scan the code to talk to Tony about your business strategy meeting. Business strategy. So I've sent it, and I can also say strictly. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so that is done. So I've shared it, but it's already continue discard. I've shared it, so that is there. So I've already saved my scan code. So this my scan code, anybody can save it. I can also save it. I'm coming. If you click here, you can save it to your gallery. So it's already saved in your gallery. Yeah. So I've already saved it in my gallery. So that is it. So basically, so let's go back. So let's go back. So let's go back to what we are doing. That is the flow charts. I think is here. Let's go back. Yeah, here it is. So here is the flow chart. So and you can add as many links as you want, as many content as you want. You can click again and add your LinkedIn, your Vimeo. You can see all that you can add here. These are the platforms that you can add, you can use. If you have Pinterest, you have Twitter, you have Linktree, anything, you have Snapchat, you can put in here for people to see so that they can follow you. And that is how. And if you want to collect information, you come here to say you want to collect information. You had a form to collect contact information. You put your pitch, you put your name, your email. For example, I want to collect information from people. I will just put my link title, put my pitch, and then let them sign up. And then this is my preview of my title, and I put in my link, so they will be able to sign up for anything that I need to do. So that is just a little bit of what you can do with your let me save it, with your flow chart. So it's as simple as ABC. It is saved and it is published. So that is how you can enjoy your flow page. Hope this is helpful. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye for now.